Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. I want to keep this short, and in this video I want to show you how to remove or get rid of the rattling sound in the 1.0 TGDi engines from Hyundai or Kia. This is the rattling sound that you can hear during the engine working, and it's not the timing chain. So I also thought it's the timing chain, but it is not. And the problem is actually the linkage between the actuator and the waste gate valve from the turbo. That linkage has a small play, and during the working of the engine, this will vibrate and it will rattle a small clinking sound that is really similar to the timing chain sound. So how to resolve this? I want to show you a quick solution, cheap solution. And actually what you need is just a small spring like this. It doesn't have to be really strong. It's something like this. So I will put now how the engine will sound. Hopefully you can catch it on the video, and afterwards I will show you how to install this little spring on the linkage of the wastegate. So I really hope you heard the sound. So how to install the spring? Just remove the cover. You just bring it up like this. It's held in place in this three spokes here and over here. And as you can see how I installed this spring, you have different anchoring points over here. I choose to put it over here because I have a long spring, and this is the linkage over here. Now it's held in place. It will not vibrate anymore. So hopefully this gives you a small idea how to do it. You can anchor it here or over here. A lot of anchor points, even on this hoist point of the engine. You can do it wherever you want, and I can assure you this will work. So I hope this video helped you resolve this issue. If yes, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you have any question, please put them in the comment section below. I will gladly respond to your questions. So thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.